How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. Tin Man Pickle 72 here. Hope you're all doing good. Yeah, taking out the Matsubi. Normally it's black. I went and put a different camo on it. It's a pretty one. White, red, and gray. Something different. And we're spawning over on this far seaside, so we'll move our way over that way. Over to sea. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed the last one. And how important it is to capture the bases. I didn't even realize they had all three bases, and boom, game was over. Just like that, nobody died, pretty much. Looks like we got 4 going over on this side. That's good. Try and use this rock here, a little island, as protection. Hide behind. Oh. Beep beep, coming through. Yeah, thank you. Single torps. They're not the greatest. They don't have the range. I think these are like 6-kilometer torps. I just send them just for fun. You never know. Might be that one lucky hit. That's all it takes. Fire! Those probably misses. Well, 4 pens, nice. Or is that shatter? No, it looked like it was penetrations. Giggity giggity. This thing is slow to reload. Ooh, juicy target. Too bad I won't be able to kill him. Oh, Atlanta already died on our side. Yeah, full broadside. Let's give it to him. He's pretty close. Look like we have enough guys on that other side, so I'm flipping back around. Hopefully my guns will turn fast enough. They're still freaking straight. Come on, turn. He's not looking at me, so that's good. Come on. Come on, turrets. They're coming. He's on fire. Front 2 away. Back 2 coming. What? 4 shells, not a single hit. How horrible is that? Well, there we go. We got two hits, 1 pen. I think that's what that is. The very first one is hits. Hits, pens, ricochets. And then there's something else, non-pen. Get out of my way. What are you doing? Fine. I'll slow down. Maybe you'll be able to go off of my bow. Come on. Get off of me, you dickhead. This thing takes forever to slow down or speed up. I don't want to. I don't want to slow down. Get out of my way. Yeah, go attack him. Yeah, I just helped you around the island, you little bastard. If I slow down, I got the Bayern coming around here. He's definitely within torp range, but now I gotta slow down. And then by the time you slow down to get going again, it's like slower molasses. I might as well just keep going forward. There, he finally killed that Bayern. Full broadside. Thank you, Mr. Pensacola. Hopefully these will be good shots for you. One fire, really? One hit. One shell. There's one fire for 2 hits. Jesus. No pens. Maybe I should be firing high or armor piercing. Those all missed? Fuck. All around them. Ishmael. This guy's pretty tough. Come on, baby. Turn. You almost did. Oh, guess I won't be firing at him. Come on, smack this bastard. Demon Zeus. Come on, hit him. Hit him. 2 pens for nothing. Oh my god. Well, that was a quick game. Yay. Hey, accommodation. Nice. I guess I did better than I thought on that match. Right on, right on. Alright, I'll pause you and bring you back for the next match. Welcome back. We're on Neighbors. Capture the base. Taking out a tier 3 battleship, the Kaiser. It's got a pretty camo on this one. I made that one into a permanent camo. Emily Burton. An Oreo. I still gotta fully upgrade that one. Trying to save my XP for... Oh, which one is it now? It's the Colorado. Then my next one will be the Iowa. In that line. Need my American tier 7 battleship. I got my German. I'm working on my Japan, which is the Amagi. That's in my research bureau. It's still another frig 3-4 months away, maybe. Some poor bastard's getting torped. Oh, the Amelia. Oh, there, shot a plane down. Yeah, I shot a plane down. Good. Nobody died yet. I know there's a couple guys coming this way. If not, half of the team will be. I'm like a magnet for the enemy red team. Wherever I go, I run into everybody. Plane inbound. Sneak some shots over on that Kong. Three hit. One pen. Hit him again. Come on, reload. Reload, you slow bastard. He's gonna hide. Oh well, let's go for this dungy. I'm just gonna call it the DT. Lead him, lead him. There you go. Enjoy those, hold those. 4 pens. Wow. Come on. Guns are so fucking slow. It is a tier 3. Come on, hit him. 2 hits for 1 pen. Not great. Not great. Bomber, bomber. Ow. No, forgot about him. Shit, this can hurt. Here they come. Fuck them up, come on. 5,600. Keep turning. Nose in, nose in, nose in. Out tank him. Come on. Reload guns. Come on. I'll punch him broadside again. Come on. Looks like the secondaries are going off. Or is that somebody behind me? Oh, must be. Yeah, there's a guy behind me. Like, I didn't think I had that. Oh. Hardest shot, him going away. This guy's hiding. Come on. He's backing up. Come on, reload. Reload. Ooh. He must have got tagged by that other guy because I only hit him for 1 shell. 1 shell. Ooh, ooh, we got another guy coming. Oh, he's just sitting there. And I would say he is AFK. I don't see his guns moving. No. His back guns are still straight. Yeah, he's AFK. Fine, let's just put some into him. 8,200, nice. 2 hit, 3 pen? How does that happen?